Oh, are you taking a video? Okay.
Do tell.
It's chocolate cake in a mug.
Secret recipe.
It's a secret recipe I got on the internet. You can find like tons of these things. So you can make chocolate ones, you can make vanilla ones, but why make vanilla when you can eat chocolate? Because we're female. And that's what you do.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Is this for you?
Yes. I eat them regularly. Not every night.
Where's God?
Not every day.
How do we make them?
Mix up like cake ingredients in a mug and then you stick it in the microwave.
For
A big enough mug so that you don't overflow it.
How
So you
long?
put it on for like 30 seconds. That's gonna be loud if I turn it on. And then you take it out and add chocolate chips to the middle and then put it in for another 30 to 60 seconds.
Really?
Okay, and promotion. This cup works well for them. It's plenty big enough, so heart cry mug cakes.
Okay. Now
Once
this
I
is-
get done, I'm gonna
Does it
go
make it
sit
taste
and
better?
listen to more heart cry.
Well, you better keep talking because I'm gonna watch the entire time you're making this.
Oh, okay.
Does it make it taste better?
Does it make it taste better in the other?
In hard mug.
I don't know.
No, you just feel more spiritual eating it.
Yes. It makes you feel more spiritual. Yes.
Hey, lilacs.
Very true.
Wilting lilacs, we need
You
new
are not
ones.
eating chocolate.
Berries.
Berries.
Okay, so you need to add chocolate chips.
You want chocolate berries, chocolate
Because this
chips.
makes it liquidy, like a lot of cake. And it says 1 to 2 tablespoons, which means I don't measure it. I can make chocolate chips out of the packet. Mommy, are they better with coconut or without coconut?
Better with coconut.
Good.
Definitely. Oh, I'm supposed to be off. Okay. I figured you figured that one. There you go.
Okay.
Back on.
Keep talking.
Here, this is already dirty, so you're gonna need chocolate stuff. So it rises. It rises.
I
You
go
have
on
to-
the edge.
You have to make sure it doesn't overflow. Huh?
I'm on the edge. I eat raw flour.
Yeah. Of course you eat raw flour. You eat cookie dough. You eat cake dough. You do it. There's no problem.
Brownie batter.
Brownie
Brownie
batter.
dough. Yeah.
Definitely
Brownie.
flour.
Yeah. You can probably make other stuff in mugs, but chocolate cake is definitely a bonus. And we make them with coconut and coconut oil. The recipe doesn't call for coconut, but we figured we could add it because it works.
I just realized my name's on that fridge.
Yeah.
Who did that?
One of your children. Probably Samuel.
I think Samuel put up the mark cow, and then I had to add all the other letters.
Okay.
And your name is really long. It almost covers the whole fridge. Like, it almost goes across the whole fridge.
It kind of does. Yeah, it takes up the whole fridge. Okay, bring it over. Yeah. What are we doing?
It's like chocolate goodness.
Oh, you
Can
got
you,
the
like,
hole and
Put
dug
a
into
spoon in it to see what it looks like. Yeah. Gonna need some demonstration.
Okay.
Oh, that looks.
That's good enough demonstration.
Okay,
looks
that looks
really
good.
good.
Can I have one?
You want one?
She's gotta go get grandma's cocoa.
Uh-oh. No, I don't need one. I'm good.
We can get cocoa. We can get one.
No, we're good.
Okay.
No,
Go to the neighbors. Ask
we
for
can go
cocoa.
get it because I kind of want one
Right
too.
You want to go get the cocoa?
Yeah, because I kind of want one.
Okay, so
Cocoa
evidently we're
comes?
making a trip to Grandma's house for cocoa.
This is why your grandmother lives close, so that you can get cocoa.
When's the last time we borrowed something from Grandma? Yeah.
Yeah, no.
What you doing there?
Adding oil. It says 2 tablespoons. That looks like 2 tablespoons, right?
Sure, good measurement.
That's how measuring works in our house. Measuring works like that for pretty much everything. You don't measure the things you don't measure. Vanilla, oil, glug is an official oil measurement with liquid oils. Like if you have to add oil, olive oil to pizza dough, you add a glug. That's a. Mommy, how much is a glug? Is that about a tablespoon? Or? Yeah, a glug's about a tablespoon.
It's like 1.13 tablespoons, but we just round it.
Okay, so
And
Friday
those
night at the
statistics
Funny
are made up
Barn.
on the spot, so.
Yes. So we're gonna go eat chocolate cake, and you can go do whatever you want, but you should probably do a chocolate cake with it. So, see ya.